Hello everyone, this is Hitesh. In today's class, we will discuss the last question of exercise 4.3 and we will learn how we will draw the geometric representation of linear equation in one variable and two variables. Okay, so let's get started. Now we will continue to this chapter. Exercise 4.3, question number 8, second part. If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, so what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Okay. The solution is, we know the relation between degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. It is equal to F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Okay. So now in the second part, the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, means the value of C is 30, it is given. Okay. And we have to find the value of F. Okay. So put C is equal to 30 in this equation, then the value of F will be 9 upon 5, value of C is 30 plus 32. 5 ones are 5 6 are. Okay. So the value of F will be F is equal to 9 6 are 54 plus 32. ठीक है. So it will 86 degree Fahrenheit. ठीक है. Okay. Now the next part is, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, so what is the temperature in Celsius? ठीक है. The solution, ठीक है, we know the relation between the degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. ठीक है. Now in this part, the temperature is given in Fahrenheit, means the value of F is 95 here. ठीक है. And we have to find the value of C. ठीक है. So put F is equal to 95. ठीक है. So it will 95 is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. ठीक है. Transpose 32 from one side to another side, so it will negative. So it will 95 minus 32 is equal to 9C upon 5. ठीक है. 9 multiply C, 9C. Okay. So it will 9C upon 5 minus 95 minus 32. So 5 minus 2 3, 9 minus 3 6. ठीक है. Is equal to 9C upon 5. ठीक है. Now we will do cross multiply. So it will 9C is equal to 5 multiply 63. ठीक है. So the value of C will be, C is equal to 5 multiply 63 upon 9. 9 ones are 9, 7s are 63. Okay. So 5 into 7, 35. So the value of C we have got 35 degree Celsius. Okay. The next part of this question is fourth part. If the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, so what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, so what is the temperature in Celsius? The solution is, we know the relation between Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. ठीक है. If the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, means कि the value of C is 0. ठीक है. So put C is equal to 0. ठीक है. So then we will get the value of F. ठीक है. So F is equal to 9 upon 5, value of C 0 plus 32. Okay. So it will 0 plus 32 means F is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, ठीक है, in the second part it is given the value of F 0. ठीक है. So we know that F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. ठीक है. Here put F is equal to 0, then we will get the value of C. Okay. So it is 0 is equal to 9 C upon 5 plus 32. ठीक है. Transpose, so it will negative. So 0 minus 32 is equal to 9C upon 5. Cross multiply. So it will 9C is equal to minus 32 multiply 5. So it will minus 160. Okay. So the value of C will be minus 160 upon 9. Okay. So it will 9 ones are 9. 9 7 जा 63, 9 7 जा 63, 63, ठीक है. सो इट विल C इज इक्वल टू माइनस 17.77, ठीक है, डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके ओके. The last part of this question, fifth part, is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. Okay. Now we know that F is equal to 9 upon 5C plus 32. Okay. Now in this question, we have to check, can the value of F and C be same or not? Okay. The value of F and C can be same, ठीक है. We can put in this equation F is equal to C, means कि we can replace this F by C, ठीक है. So it will C is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Okay. So the equation is, after putting F is equal to C, we have got the equation C is equal to 9 upon 5C plus 32, ठीक है. Now C and 9C upon 5 both are like terms, ठीक है, we can transpose, ठीक है, so it will negative. So the next step will be C minus 9C upon 5 is equal to 32, ठीक है. Now we will take the LCM. So the LCM is 5, ठीक है. So it will 5C minus 9C is equal to 32. Okay. Now 5C minus 9C, it will be 5C minus 9C, it will be minus 4C upon 5 is equal to 32. Now cross multiply, so it will minus 4C is equal to 32 multiplied by 5. So the value of C will be 32 multiplied by 5 upon minus 4. 4 ones are and 4 eights are, ठीक है. So it will 8 5s are 40, 40 upon minus 1 means C is equal to minus 40 degree Celsius, ठीक है. अब now F is equal to C, so the value of F also minus 40 degree Fahrenheit, because F is equal to C. Okay. So the value of F and C can be same, okay, and the value is minus 40 degree Celsius and minus 40 degree Celsius and minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so I think this is clear. Now we will come on exercise 4.4. Question number 1, give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. The solution is the first part. The equation is given y is equal to 3. It is a linear equation in one variable, ठीक है, and we have to draw the geometric representation of this equation in one variable, ठीक है. So we will use the number line to draw the geometric representation of this equation in one variable. Okay. So first we will draw a number line. Okay. At the mid it is origin, ठीक है. Left side negative numbers, ठीक है. Right side positive numbers 1 2 3 and so on. Okay. So here the value of y is 3, ठीक है. Suppose it is y. So the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 at this point, ठीक है. Okay. So the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 in one variable is here. Okay. Now we will represent this equation in two variables, ठीक है. But in this equation the second variable is not there, ठीक है. So we can convert this equation in two variables by taking the coefficient of x 0, ठीक है. We can write like this: 0 multiply x plus 1 multiply y is equal to 3, ठीक है. And we know that 0 multiply x always 0, ठीक है. So we can write this equation like this, ठीक है. Now it is a linear equation in two variables, ठीक है. So to draw the graph of this equation, we need to find at least two solution. Okay, but in this equation you can see the coefficient of x is 0, so you can take any values of x. ठीक है, the value y always remains constant. ठीक है, so put x is equal to 0, the value y 3. ठीक है, put x is equal to 1, the value y again 3. ठीक है, so we have calculated two solution of this equation. ठीक है, the first solution is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Second one, x is equal to 1 and the value of y 3. ठीक है, now we will draw these points on graph paper. ठीक है, तो first we will draw the two axes. ठीक है, x and y axis, right? This is x positive, x negative, y positive, y negative. This is origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here negative numbers and below this also negative numbers. ठीक है, the first coordinate is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 0 here and y is equal to 3 positive, so it will lie here. So first point. ठीक है, so the first coordinate is 0, 3. ठीक है, the second coordinate is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3, means at this point. ठीक है, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. ठीक है, now we will join these 2 points. ठीक है, so we will get a line. ठीक है, we will get a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. ठीक है, which is parallel to x-axis, you can see. ठीक है, so this is the geometric representation of this equation in two variables. Okay, and we have got the line parallel to x-axis. ठीक है, the last question of this exercise, question number 2, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. Okay, the solution is the first part. ठीक है, the equation is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. To draw the geometric representation of this equation, the first we need to find the value of x. ठीक है, so value of x we can find easily. It is a linear equation in one variable. ठीक है, first we will transpose 9 from one side to another side, so it will negative. So the equation will be 2x is equal to minus 9. Okay, so the equation is 2x is equal to minus 9. So value of x will be minus 9 by 2, means minus 4.5. ठीक है, now we have to represent minus 4.5 on the number line. ठीक है, okay, we will use the number line. This is a number line. ठीक है, at the mid 0 origin, negative number left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. ठीक है, and right side positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ठीक है, so negative 4.5 is lie between the midpoint between minus 4 and 5, minus 4 and minus 5. ठीक है, so this is the geometric representation of linear equation in one variable. Okay, now we will represent this equation. ठीक है, in two variables. ठीक है, so in this equation the second variable is not there. ठीक है, so we can write this equation in two variable by taking the coefficient of variable y as 0. ठीक है, so it will 2x plus 0 multiply y is equal to 9. Okay, so now this is linear equation in two variables are there, x and y. ठीक है, but here the coefficient of y is 0. ठीक है, now to draw the geometric representation of this equation, we need to find at least two solution. ठीक है, you can put any values of y. Okay, you can put any values of y. You will get always x is equal to minus 4.5. You can see here. Okay, so when y is equal to 0, so the value of x will be minus 4.5. ठीक है, it is plus 9. By mistake I have written it is 2x plus 0 multiply y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the linear equation to variable. By mistake I have written wrong here. Okay, so the equation in two variable is 2x plus 0 multiply y plus 9 is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 0, so then value of x will be minus 4.5. When y is equal to 1, when y is equal to 1, again the value of x we will get minus 4.5. ठीक है, so the values of x and y, the two solution of x and y we have got. Okay, so x, y, value of x minus 4.5, value of y 0, the first solution. The second solution, value of y 1 and value of x minus 4.5. ठीक है, now we will draw the graph. ठीक है, we will draw the graph of this equation. So first we will draw two axes, x axis and y axis. Okay, this is positive x axis, this is negative x axis, this is positive y axis, negative y axis. ठीक है, this is origin 0. ठीक है, x is negative तो -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. ठीक है, y 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ठीक है, you can see here the first solution is x is equal to minus 4.5 and y is equal to 0. So on x axis, ठीक है, on x axis the value y always 0. ठीक है, so minus 4.5 lie between midpoint between minus 4 and minus 5. So the first coordinate minus 4.5 and 0 will lie here. ठीक है, the second one is x is equal to minus 4.5. ठीक है, and y is equal to 1, so it will lie here. Okay, now we will join these 2 points, so then we will get a straight line and you can see that this line is parallel to y axis. ठीक है,